Hi, Born Sports Media. Born Sports Media. Born again for a passports. The channel in Tebusan Baswa. Na waba then if you was subscribing if you was share na wa like page na wa ma wunian so enye bi so etumi so ahwe yen konsem no so
ebeko na ma memfa nto dwa se omu coaching hu sensem no akwasi apia o Ghana na emom bibi nti o mepia mu okuma se nyame ya adomu a weekend bibi ansi a oni na na pinkra nyina o mbepiem e okuma se akwasi apia be lead eye committee aya form eso mu mpe coach Enfama Asante Kotoko no mo ayomu first meeting enso e dia fa coaching sensem no ho ye the exclusives be bring am e wo ho players no say na tie Akwasi Asante ono de ye jane kwan bye bye tie niye players na Kotoko say omu January no sama ka cho say IMC no mani nji ogum recommendations ni bi ho enti players ne mu bi besa akọ Samson Eduku ontena Kotoko biem Isaac Menta ontena Kotoko biem na enra lawyer Safu Duku ka che se goalkeeper Frederick Asare amomo word say obesan Asare beko on extending the contract no take it from us Asare on extended obeko na what Walid name of Fuseini in such a man player no so what is a Kotoko kone ho de omnie yes boy ne epeso Kotoko na mo wadi nkomo se ade yesi won so atrei ara me be san ma Kotoko a na supporters me bobo okra no mbufu ase okra na no bi no ni so atra omo be ye ntokwa ekokun pole no yesi anu ni ade a etwe boy ne san anka Kotoko ndi onye obebo Nemo ojidi ese bia na supporters na anja antum ama se yesi IMC no eni omo kadiru ne ho egusu psyche boy na eso obeji atum na wabebo edi ama Asante Kotoko womu eboboku no Ishmeal Addo Pando Heart of Lions 70% done Asante Kotoko ekwa eni mu papa enti ni Ishmeal Addo Pando Heart of Lions oni mbo papa hey season we and ebe go e wa Asante Kotoko omu boboku ni mu enti Ishmeal Addo enso baba na people no me fire no mfuturo no Samartex omo wura hono ma omu din komo pa ba player ni din no antumi ampie ye de beba enti Samartex Kotoko eni omu din komo pa omo he ni mu so mbefa player Bako edina free Samartex womo eboboko nim afei enra ye de betu dwa se the Kings project gym no first phase I am ready na mamen break away fama se bibia nsia Ghana Gas ebe take over project no ma ye e de ama Kotoko Kings project ni nyina na sanu nim se Ghana Gas o makwa adakoja acha kwa inspection o makwa inspect adakoja achi wonyina hwe project no mo ye no amoma omuyi omawura manhia akodi nkomo e wo hono mo magye atum so e wo se project we be som na Ghana Gas e wie bibia e de ema Asante Kotoko ene manhia enti enchakra bibia momo abete e se Kotoko e announce se Ghana Gas and e take over the Kings project na omodi sika be shem na omawie ni nyina e de ama Kumase Asante Kotoko
Ama Yensaka said Kotoko you interested in Ishmeal Addo of Heart of Lions. Na unse no kind of 20 team no he's one of the best. Na oye player me sure say even before say Zito Webana Coach Ogumaka has said because one of the interviews at Coach Ogumani Asante Kotoko media no now we'll be a question about the local based players who deserve blasters call up no go to after so ball Kotoko players you know other names or boy you know na Ishmeal Addo to na ni din ka ho now try say if you are a follower of the Ghana Premier League you know what this boy can do especially in the middle and no believe we say as I say national team for no 8 mission no na omoko fa no Now he was even calling say Onya Blasters. I'll come to the profile and what he brings to the party. Me to a central midfielder. And what me was 6, 8, me 8 nibi. And the age and so 18, 19 years. Or below 20, will be all under 20 they say. Into young player. But he has been doing it for about 3 seasons near for Heart of Lions. Now, me to nya hokrani here. I mean, I'll come to the profile and other things. But some and I a ball to company for Basso. The kind of transfer some year, you know. But to January, you know, who transfer and so. Yeah, Kotoko second round. Omuntimi catch up you know transfers ne kan pa. Last season we are na Kotoko players be required. There's no need to mention the names. By replacement ni be Mohamed Kamara. Yebenya Lord Amwa. No, there are even questions about Brukum Chelsea players. Because the previous season Nadia Kalu Ouattara. And even Henry Ansu Abe no na Gideon ho. But Kotoko went back to Chelsea for a right back in Lord Amwa and a left back in Patrick Esiedu. And with the two normally instant fan favorite, especially Lord Amwa. Also Esiedu the one start you. We don't say that Sudan you know is smart and a started so obo. And sana later Obe pra ama Esiedu ababebo. Esiedu started so obo na no be happen asem. Oto Samba. The Samba buyer no so Sergio Ramos. The first game was against Heart of Folk, no Koje man of the match. Instantly no be about Samba Abaso. Say send your car so a Ramos idea bibia chere so betimi aye adwuma no. Later san ye be hu Joseph Ablo and then people like and he Ablo no so ya ade. Tibiso to now hwe Kotoko signings na Lord Kamara Kotoko Kael on the man of the match. That na Frederick Asaiwo Blasters. Samba Ablo. Obe Finfi Obizoto Emmanuel Entry. First game excellent. Kotoko Techiman Young Apostles excellent goal no say etwa so krenya Blasters call up. Then Saka Dauda started coming. Albert Amwa no to say Kotoko signings no. Amount for bebre like now Albert Amwa obi a was 5 goals there. Oye dey ka so a replacement for Mukwala. Cause now she dey Mukwala 14 goals or kwa. But Albert after 2-3 matches after next for Kotoko after a good player. But now the conversation was that after say even Jacob any smart pair baby fire. Now Bibia say January say Kotoko ye meaningful signing. But no credit they clear. Kwesi Asante and Bobo ama Kotoko trying to contract. And no make can one asem too. This is a player. You see do from middle of September out to October and now Kotoko left one yemfo bi meka ho. Maybe a match is to say FA Cup because see no woman no. That was not the story. See do the boy kwesi ntimi ambo. This is a complete F on the transfer market. Tolakakofa player in less than 6 months now be trying to contract move for a position that you were in dire need of somebody. Kotoko right back Ajete had some 2-3 matches be and went off. Kotoko Musa right back one coach April the rest of the season to Bobo. It was the alternative over to compete with Lodamwa. But to Asha Lodamwa Prime. We've seen more of Michael Sefa on the right side, Justice Blay on the right side than Daniel Ajeti. Enti Ajeti no so Kotoko fa no so ombehye nifa ho nya adwuma ne mom no kra no so sem so tuo ono so agudu so. Enti we kire ho nipa abeka se oba ya odi bibia beka ho ya Michael Sefa dem go fa no free Port City no. And one thing is clear. Also Kwesi Asante no di team. No two kwan no oba. Ajete misoto no wa two kwan no oba. But Sefa de no obobo e Port City. Enti time oba after 2 days training no Kotoko 20-man squad. Central Phobia Ogumogum see he was already playing football. Misoto one lesson here say a player who was already active and what me be sell than no on attach number 2 kwan omoba or training here justified. So they failed on the right back alternative and the left back alternative. Akofa head the Cabre Kotoko. now you look at the attack. Kwame Poku. Now when you Isaac Minta and Samson Aduku. When you know more two quiet on mobile. Between the three, nipa baako a wɔn sɛ ɔde biribi abɛka Kotoko team no ho ɛyɛ significant ɛyɛ Kwame Poku, Isaac Minta no so, Samson Aduku no so. Nti January na Kotoko decide say mefa players de abɛka wɔn sɛ ne metumi atoa so compete for the league no to wobɛtumi aka sɛ mmienu out of 7 ɛna aboa Kotoko, because Benjamin Chum goalkeeper no to ɔbaayɛ no ontimi betu Kamara ɛna ontimi betu Freddy Kasare. The only game Yahusu Akoda was Kotoko second half against Isuatremai after say Kamara did red card. So to go and look at the kind of goal he considered and Namneho na Koto on it. The 7 players our second round transfer window 2 and then Isuadu and I say Obeka somebody BB Abeka. So Kotoko ain't me accelerating, especially in the league. Ebra home away no, was because of their January signing. But Omunya a good start to a league no, was because summer signing was much better than the January signing. Lessons should be learned. Yebe uremu was summer except Kotoko saye proper signing biem. And you can say acquire January DNB. Was so to and January DNB much chance. Why on bet me a Jaber 7 or 5, on bet me a Jaber 5 for so quine. Because somebody can Jaber crack quine that. Yes, I'm the black club no. Financially, it will cost you because most of them normally or more to call mobile. To the price never also. The salary never normal salary. I offer division 1 ni and division 2 ni. Obu to call body and the salary no also. 2, the impact you expected on your team when team be deliver. The Sabria and Commoner starting. Obonsan go back to Kwame Faso here in the summer because summer and the 2 it was better. Ablo, Samba, Siedu, even a smart. Before say smart, but Konobiaji to say he was a good player. You laugh what he was doing on the left side. And you be the see. Tinana Penkra, no to coach Akwesi Apia, coach Karim Zito, and coach Malik Jabel. I have found some basically the leaders of Asante Kotoko. Technical advisor.
Director.
Technical director / interim head coach.
And
administrative manager.
Oh, okay.
Tidiebe catch them on say, Otu Obunyabo tre, no more penny. And you can say, a player or no ball match back. Our yard into the next moment. Now we break it bank a quack of feno. So what scout player now we did so about to take your time and monitor the player. We are sure I can bear 4 matches to end the season. Or maybe a short list of players to be on manager. But this is the time because what are they? So but be about 100,000 Ghana cedis. And we can offer player no abe floppy. And can per coach, but we say coaches no license big the license C for the baby around. So per baby you know and I'm yensa. And I would see a mugu more without payroll so busumi be as some of the any say. Ebia watch away for Bono any Ebia North. Where you for it sounds like to Ghana League no division 1 achieve 3 zones. So they have Pebako for zone A no. Pebako for zone B na Pebako for zone C. Na juba na say someone notice player bia. Mubedman wako on constant basis to go and observe and watch the matches of the player. Also Nanajima complaining about the Ghana Premier League. You to no Ukraine say there are some of the teams you even struggle to get their highlights. It's a depend on match I own any boy and a match on a house boy which is likely say better TV so pay. Sir, and no scouting report on the player. Obeba be go any masse. Obeba ma won sa be si form. It is Sabre na so to with 4 matches to go. Ebia enye house no Kotoko no. They should get coaches to monitor some of these players. Now, I'm proper data because you will play a he or enough support system, and also our players are more complementing with team no bonintino. And I had here, baby, I will quit the bar. A Juma now person or a person no kwame no betiare. For instance, Amankona wa Chelsea, and if you watch Brokum Chelsea matches, Adia Bako clear is a Steven Amankona bitutu. Without the ball, he contributes less to the team. Only the NES say he's in the system. They are working to feed him. It's all Kofaneba Kotoko. Now we saw Ashabia 10 goals. It will expect us 10 goals. Now say undefended whilst he has the ball. The truth of the matter is, he will struggle because the support system, a man is selling with Chelsea, no, wouldn't be Kotoko. Because the Kotoko system is demanding something new from him. From adaptation plus expectation. Adapting to the Kotoko system plus the expectation from the fans, you know. Whenever I'm supposed to no to papa so.
Thank you.
So omun take you more time. And ya Kotoko nko akeke to hard to folk is also similar. Omun shape players ni ye. Omun nya enough data. You see him say Kotoko beko for left back. There should not be repeat of Akwesi Asante Diano. Say locally Francis Akwana ope. Say Eric Osebo na ope. Say Bismarck idea of a year Heart of Lions na opa. Monitor the player. Send your Okofane bar. Your investment will not go waste. It's a simple advice to Kotoko, especially about Africa. To Africa, ni nyamba mupe obetiesi former Ghanaian player bi oko Rwanda waba most wabe train in 2 days. Yes, ya sign no. Obebo ba ku sky eka. Ya tre kroma na Kotoko abeg money ade because of Africa ni akofa ba ye. So they should take their time with the transfer this particular window.
So to House of Folk ne Coach Ouattara and Semno. Me from my anger me free banner. I don't think Coach Ouattara are performing that bad. I merited the kind of comment to be a House of Folk supporters.
That's a one consistent with Ouattara.
Oh, because I've been here. They be here now. They be here now.
I say me ba me ncho anjen so. Zach say mo be kaya. Obebo Ouattara ba su bi pa. Emma another time bi am the match bi anko ye kura. Emma Obeka, so I'm going to say, no, na say Ouattara or Yadi. Na kasi de bi onwa. Ana me na me nka.
Enewa, I'm sure because yana mo hay. Enewa.
Sam so me yana mo hay.
Onto train.
O meka say Ouattara father.
On your show, what's on account on your show? Me say Ouattara, me say Coach Ouattara. From House of Folk you move free ba. At least the last 2-3 years. He's done better than any coach on Amafano from where House of Folk free ba. Because they've been struggling for relegation all these years. But Ouattara or no buy, you know, and as it stands now, House of Folk is not thinking about relegation. For that he's done well. But he's not the coach that House of Folk bet me using the league. So going forward now, either House of Folk will bring the younger ones maybe Abba. Now Ouattara a promotion to the technical director. Now we are not about that. Media, me stand not me freeze Ouattara was not doing well, but the board now has convinced me. So they've seen something Ouattara and the things that with the oil and never be
first one. And
you know, if I want to.
There be match be ma. Maybe
one of me or by the was where I do.
Ouattara feel on yadi.
Now, me not sure I've ever said this.
Owner.
And I'll put it to be able to say if more that date no that record no move from bra. Because we consider as far as Ouattara.
Recording there be obi kai bi this hour. Na date recording there. One no date recording will be. Anyway.
So
okay.
House of Folk as it stands now, we will do, and I say we can maintain it. Baby, a House of Folk team no, the board on direction war. I think the supporters no, a distance apart, and that is what bringing what is going on now. Because if you bear with me, say all these years House of Folk has struggled. Say nay, if House of Folk is not thinking of relegation or the threat of House of Folk local relegation, because it means he say the team don't have a move from one place to another. House of Folk team no, and they are preparing a team. If you look at how Ouattara, the kind of players who put it together, they are preparing a team. And I want to believe he say if the management is either say the board and the management no, or more and church supporters, another supporters they decide to say they are adamant, they don't care. They more can be if it's a house at any point in the league. You see the point? Forgetting say
that's a big club.
it's a big club.
Relegation there, that's not where they belong.
But they
been a dome
for three seasons. Continuous.
By no honor.
Free relegation that's from League.
At the point now they were in contention.
Of course, until it's almost trying. That's what the best. What's going on?
Yeah, almost through. You know, no more.
What they say? No, winning the league, no crossing back. When they say that you are not there, you are not there. It will take some time. That's why I make us say, over the quality of players are. The maturity of your players come into play, and all these things M1 has to focus. But I still believe, say, going forward, maybe I want to say, the managing director, no, I also intensify the Juma. I also engage the supporters, no. I also making sure, say, or the supporters in line with the board, minam.
The coach can also do that.
Yes, when you talk to coach in the other kind, I'm the guy can say, "Omon a session of supporters on Montpellier, you know, the Beccabian and Koye, and my woman. Well, and they say until this guy, Quacoeno, with the two but I think the House of Folk family, you know, need to do a lot of education to our supporters. The supporters, I want to believe, they are demanding too much. Almost demand at this point in time, no, with the two is too much. They should understand and appreciate where they are coming from. House of Folk has suffered these days. Maybe Owen Kotoko, maybe I want person will say, oh, I said the Kotoko work shoulders because I know Kotoko House of Folk. But this is the reality. The reality is that House of Folk has struggled lately, and they are coming out from that. Maybe from next season, I will agree with them. If we start the next season's league, now the two House of Folk continue to be here, then I will agree with the supporters and no, I'm free. The team must go. To me, he's quite okay. At least as far as House of Folk are concerned, no. Anybody, I'll pick it.
That's fine. Remember that key to San.
Bon Sports Media, thank you for watching. We bring you more and more updates of Ghana Premier League, most especially our two clubs, Asante Kotoko and FA, the Continental Club Master, Phobia, House of Oak, Nino Mohonsem Ebeba. Born again, the CEO of Bon Sports Media. Bomoding the like page, you know, we are now washing normal William, so any being so to me, so I salute you. Thank you, Yakupo, for watching. Bye.